What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. We're back working on the Cefiro today. The last video where we did some prep work on this thing, we got quite a lot of work done. I was super happy with the progress that we made. Pretty much got the roof all sorted. The only thing that still needs to be done is this tiny little bit in the corner here. Got the doors all rubbed down. This one still needs a little bit of a going over. This guard is all rubbed down and ready to start bogging up, but I actually got a call from Tyre hour earlier saying that my wheels had arrived. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to put them on in this video or sort the guards, but I'm going to be able to pick those up next week, and this will probably be a 3-part prep series because today we're probably going to get the doors, maybe the front guards done. The only thing that, we're not going to be able to get done is these rear guards. Also got a lot of this trunk sorted. You guys remember there was a massive dent here that Sheldon was able to use a file to slap out and got it pretty smooth, and then obviously went over this whole area with a bit of bog. And this is the last bit that really needs to be done, and then this trunk's done too. I think this area might need a little bit too actually, but apart from that, it's looking pretty good. It's currently about 4:30 on a Friday. Sheldon has just finished work and he's on his way here. Until he gets here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking these door handles off the doors, so we've got a nice flat surface to work with. We're not gonna have to work around the door handles. Already randomly pulled the driver's side door card off the other day, so now I will do the passenger one, or the driver's side rear. These just essentially pop out. You gotta be careful because you can see whoever has tried to take this off before has broken it. It's just a screw holding that in. The rear one's super simple, literally just pops off like that. It's got a whole lot of clips around the edge of it. The front ones are a bit different. There's a few more screws that hold those in. Now with these front ones, there's still a screw in here that you got to take to get that out. This still pops off the same way, but there's a screw here, and then there's 2 underneath as well. But then the rest of the door panel just has those clips. Sheldon just got here and I started taking the passenger front door handle out and realised I don't know how to do it, so Sheldon's done it a million times.
Yeah, so all it is this clip here. See? Yeah. If I can get my fingers around it, push that out, clip that out, and boom, there's your handle.
Easy as that.
Oh, I don't think that one's happening. They look a bit worse for wear, those ones.
What size do you reckon it is? 12?
10.
10? Right, so the window frame thingy was the bit that was in the way. That's out, so hopefully it's going to be a bit easy to get to.
That's that one. And now, these are screws in.
All of that for that one little nut right there. Now I've got all of the door handles of the Cefiro out. These rear ones were a real pain in the ass to get out. Ended up having to take the whole mechanism out just to be able to get to the rear nut on it. But it's all out now. So yeah, now we're gonna get into doing some prep work. Sheldon's starting to do this door. How's it looking?
Not too bad. A couple of dents, but nothing out of the ordinary.
Nothing too bad for a 30-year-old Nissan.
Nah, that's pretty good. Could be worse, that's for sure.
So I'm about to chuck these guards on so I can start sanding them down. These 2 holes here are perfectly fine, but the ones on this side are cross-threaded. I tried running a bolt through them just then and it didn't really do anything, so gonna have to break out the actual tap and die set, straighten out the threads. That goes in smooth as butter now. Probably one of the best investments ever is this set. Like, you hate that you have to use it, but like when you need it.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So these 2 are now fixed, but this side is continuing to give me more surprises. I didn't even realize that that one actually had a snapped bolt in it. So I've got a drill, gonna have to drill that out. It's gonna be fun. that drill bit. I went through though.
Oh yeah?
So it's not all bad. Panel beating the door.
Just get some highs down a wee bit. Sweet. A little more flatter than it was. Instead of that all being sucked in.
Chit.
See how much it brought it up and out. Because you know how big that big low spot was beforehand.
Yeah.
And now there's
That feels real super flat now.
yeah.
Man.
Yeah, get in there.
So Sheldon's just started bogging up the rear door.
But I just found this huge big low spot through here.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Which
Camera can sort of pick it up. Yeah, you can see the gap. It should be flat.
so I'll get in there and try to pull that out a wee bit. Yeah.
This corner on the bonnet's a bit screwed up, so Sheldon's just gonna try and get that straight. There's this little one down here as well, but yeah, he's gonna take this bit first.
That's gonna be a pain in the ass to get to.
Would you rather the bonnet off to?
Yeah, maybe if that's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, just quickly, if I can quickly get that off, I'll just try and get that up.
Right, so we just took the bonnet off that we just put on. Sheldon's got this looking pretty damn good already. Hell of a lot better than it used to be.
Good, pretty close.
Me and Sheldon finished up last night after a few hours of working on it. we got a bit of work done, not a ton, but still progress. Progress is progress. But this morning I went and actually picked up my new wheels from Tyre Rail off Chapman for the Cefiro, and I'm pretty happy with these things. So these are a DTM 17 by 9.5, and these are a knockoff of a T37 essentially. So yeah, these are a 17 by 9.5 all round. I'm running a 235 4017 tyre, and I reckon these not only are going to look better on the Cefiro, but they should also fit a little bit better too. The Enkey reps that I had were 18 by 10 in the rear, which is just way too much for the rear. 18 by 9 is not too bad for the front. I actually used to run 18 by 9s on my Cefiro all round, and they do fit pretty well, but I just think these 17 by 9.5s are going to be a little bit better. Personally, I also think 17s actually look better on Cefiros than the rails. Obviously that's a personal preference thing, but yeah, I do prefer 17s on Cefiros. Coming in here, didn't really do too much with the hood after we got it all bashed straight. Started sanding that very half-assedly, and also got this guard on and just gave it a real quick going over. Found one low spot and that was about it. As I said, we didn't get a hell of a lot done last night, but we still made some good progress. Sheldon pretty much got these doors all sorted. He just still has to knock out that low spot down there. But apart from that, these doors are now done. So this weekend, Sheldon is coming back over. We're going to be doing another Saturday stint, which is good. Friday after work is good, but you can't really do too much. We only really have a couple of hours, but like I said, he's going to be coming over Saturday, so we're going to have the entire day to hopefully smash a lot of this work out. The other day I was at Mitchell's work and we painted Tobin's body kit, which I think that video is going to come out not tomorrow but the day after, so I think that video will be out Thursday. And I was actually able to speak to Mitchell while we were there, and we might actually be able to work something out where he can still paint this because he is going to be busy over the next month, and I need to sell this, so we didn't think the timing schedule was going to work out for him to get free time to paint this. But yeah, we had a conversation and hopefully we can work something out where I might primer this, get it all ready for paint, and then we can just get it in there, paint the body one day, and then maybe paint the panels one day after work. Just hoping we can do that, because I am keen to paint this, but I really don't want to fuck it up, especially because I do want to sell this thing. I need to get as much money as I can for it. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this one, guys. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Helps grow the channel. I say every video, but it really does. Liking the video, commenting on the video, and if you aren't subscribed, subscribe. It really does help grow the channel, and it really does help support me doing what I'm doing. So yeah, appreciate it. We'll catch you in the next one.